Alright, welcome back to Trading Learning 101, ladies and gentlemen. We just made the Discord chat membership video. If you want to watch that one first, it'll be down in the video description, or I'll leave a link up above. What we're going to do with this is we're going to break down each membership here at Trading Learning 101, go over all the perks that are included, and cover any subjects that I feel need to be talked about. So we just talked about the Discord chat room only for $19.99 a month. Now we're going to cover the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass for $50 a month. This one I'm really excited for. Not just because I created it, but I honestly feel from the bottom of my heart that this is the best choice, especially for newer traders and for traders that want to be a part of a team, fully immersed into a team. Let's go and cover the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass. Everything that's included with the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass is listed right here. So we're going to get access to the Day Trading Masterclass, which is a series of videos that I've been putting out every single month. And by the end of it, it's going to be around a 20-hour course showing you step by step how to learn to day trade in the stock market and everything that I know. You also get access to member-only videos that are not available to the public, for members only. You're going to get access to the Discord premium chat room. You're going to unlock 100% of the Trading Learning 101 Discord server, and you're also going to unlock the everyday chat Monday through Friday. This is a big perk right here, pre-market prep. So the pre-market prep for 30 minutes every day, Monday through Friday, before the market opens, we're going to jump into the live stream. We're going to cover and break down my watch list, my game plan, and what are my thoughts before the upcoming trading day. Some trader motivation, what I'm seeing, answer any of your guys' questions. So the pre-market prep, right now it's a big fan favorite. I know a lot of you guys, members, are really taking advantage of this, and I'm more than happy, and I love doing this every day. And then next, we get Friday live trading. Every single Friday, starting at 9 a.m., and we usually trade for around 3-4 hours every single Friday. That's everything that's included in the Wolfpack Ultimate class for $50 a month. So let's go over and break these down real quick. The Day Trading Masterclass. You could see there's a little drop down, and every single one of these blue dots is part of the Day Trading Masterclass. We got our member only videos here. We got our study group. So sometimes we'll get together, us members, we'll live stream, we'll answer questions, and just go over some key topics in the stock market. And then I'll record it and post it in here. We have our classes here. So right now we're on class number 7. Every single class is around an hour, hour and a half long. Total, I plan on doing 12 to 14 classes. And again, this is going to be everything that I know, taking it step by step and learning day trading, how to be a day trader. And along with every single class, I also assign homework. I'll assign homework at the end of every class, not all of them, but a lot of the classes. If I feel that the subjects that we're talking about requires more in-depth studying, then you could come right down here to the homework section and you could see all the videos that I've given to the students and the members here for extra homework to study up more on a specific subject. You get access to member only videos, which I also created playlist for them. You get access to my study notes. So over the course of time, I've been going through all of my old notes that I've taken when I first started learning about the stock market and day trading, I'm going back through those notebooks, taking screenshots of all of my notes and posting them all for you to view, to learn from and grow as a trader. And then you're also going to get PowerPoint slides posted in here in the OneDrive from every single class. Some of our most recent classes, we did trading playbook, making your own playbook as a trader. Really good topics that we talk about in here, guys. So we talked about the day trading masterclass, the member only videos, now the Discord premium chat. You're going to get access to all of the educational channels here in the server. And there's over 40, 50 channels in this server, ranging from chart patterns. If you want to study up and learn about chart patterns, there's all kinds of great stuff in here that I have personally added to this server over the course of the last 3 years. If you're interested in Fibonacci, there's all kinds of great Fibonacci subjects in here that I've posted, books, charts, videos that I've made myself, trading psychology. And if you guys know me, psychology is very, very big, in my opinion, when it comes to day trading in the stock market. You're also going to unlock the Monday through Friday chat. So an example, let's say today's Wednesday. Every Wednesday, we're all going to jump and meet up in the Wednesday chat. And this is a way of all of us staying connected throughout the trading day, calling out what we're seeing. I'm always in here spitting out what I'm watching, participating in the chat. Even if you sign up for this and you're not much of a sociable person, you could sit back and just watch and look at what we talk about. By you showing up every day and just reading and looking at what we're talking about, your learning curve is going to grow exponentially. Everybody views the markets differently. So you're going to see how other people view and their beliefs about the stock market. And a lot of traders that post in here all the time, you're going to see over the course of time them growing and the type of trader that they are. So next up, the pre-market prep. Every day at 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the channel here, you're going to see voice channel right where my head is. So it's right here. So at 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to jump into the pre-market prep here, and I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to jump on the microphone, and I'm going to break down my daily watch list, what my game plan is, what are my thoughts, and motivate you guys for the upcoming trading day. Cover key topics that I feel should be mentioned and talked about, the current market conditions, the market cycles. So far, since starting and doing this pre-market prep, a lot of members have been fully taking advantage of this, and I'm happy that I've started to do this as well. I feel there's a lot of benefits to this pre-market prep. So from 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 30, 40 minutes, depending on how long I go for. Before the market opens, we do the pre-market prep. And then the last one, Friday live trading. Every single Friday, starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wolfpack Ultimate Pass members trade live with me. And we usually trade live in the stock market for 3-4 hours. We'll trade, we'll talk about important lessons, cover lessons, answer questions, just hang out while the markets are open. So if this is something that you're interested in, what are you waiting for? Sign up. All you got to do is go to my YouTube channel, and right on the home screen, click this join button. Once you click this join button, click on the Ultimate Pass, click join, and then as soon as you join, what you're going to want to do you're going to want to head over to the About section, or in the video description of every single one of my videos. If you look in the video description, I have a lot of links in there. Links to my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook page, my website, my personal email, and my Discord chat room. You can click on any of those, or you can go to my channel, and in the About section right here, scroll down, click on Discord chat room, and it'll direct you right to my Discord server. But keep in mind, if you do not have an account created with Discord, you will not be able to enter any server. So first things first, make sure you go to discord.com, register and create an account and a username. And then once you've done that, you could join any server that you'd like. Click continue to Discord, and then you'll instantly jump right into my server. And then once you've entered my server, you'll see that you will not have access to any of these channels. When you enter my Discord server, you're going to be under unverified. You're going to see there's really no channels here. There's really nothing. Only the start here. This is in place to protect us, the server, from spammers, raiders, trolls. You'd be surprised on how many times Discord servers get spammed. To prevent that, we have security bots and verification systems in place to protect this chat room. You're unverified, you're going to go to the start here, then you're going to go to the welcome screen, which is right here. You're going to see there's a couple tutorial videos here, but you're going to scroll all the way up to the top, and you're going to see this Me6 bot with the message. And what you're going to want to do, read this message and then react to this message, and then you will be rewarded a verified role. And from that verified role, you're going to be a verified member, and you're going to get access to all of these channels right here, and including the Traders Lounge, which is open for free to the public. Okay? So then once you've done all of that, and you've signed up for the membership at Trading Learning 101, you're going to want to send Mr.Wolf, which is me, right up here at the top. Click on me, Mr. Wolf, and from here, you're going to want to send me a message. Send me a message with your YouTube username, and I will gladly unlock the server for you, give you a welcome message, and then from there, you could participate in the Monday through Friday chat. Join us in the pre-market prep, the day trading Friday live streams. You'll get access to the day trading masterclass, the homework lessons, member-only videos. I mean, there are so many perks in this Ultimate Pass package. And for $50 a month, guys, I see other competitors out here charging $100, $200, $300 a month to be a part of a community. That is crazy. That's a car payment or insurance every month. So $50 a month is dirt cheap. I want dedicated students, and I want dedicated individuals that will show up every day, take this seriously, in wanting to become a successful trader and successful in life. If you want to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have goals, they want to take this seriously, they want to be a part of a great team, then join up, join the team. Even if you don't want to try out the Wolfpack Ultimate Pass yet, and you want to see if this is a community that you'd like, then for $20 a month, you can sign up for just the Discord chat room. $20 a month. That's less than $1 a day. You're going to find no chat room out there offering for $20 a month, like I've said. And I simply charge for all this stuff because I see so many people come and go in this game. I do. 90% of people fail as traders. They think that this is easy. They don't want to take it seriously. I did at one point have this server open for free, but I got tired and tired and tired of people coming in, asking me all these questions, and then I'm taking my valuable time to answer these questions, teach these people a few things, and then a month goes by and they just dip out and you never hear from them again. Also, people come in here and they act like they're owed something. Like I'm just supposed to unload everything that I know and give it to them. All of my hard work and studying and my knowledge, I'm just supposed to give it to you. Get out of here. You show up every day, you put that work in, you have that growth mindset, and you have that mindset of, I want this. I want to better my life. I have a roadmap laid out in front of me to success. And I want to surround myself with like-minded people that are on the same route as me. If that's something that you're interested in, like I said, what are you waiting for? Join Trading Learning 101. The Wolfpack is always welcoming new members here with open arms. There are a lot of great people in this community, and we are growing bigger and bigger and bigger. So what are you waiting for? Like I said, join the team. It's better to be a part of a team and have multiple eyes in the market than being by yourself or just being another statistical number in these free servers like Wall Street Bets. Do you think any of these people care about you or care about what you say? No, you get what you pay for. And I'm a big believer in that. If you want to be cheap and a cheapskate with your trading education and the community that you want to be a part of, you'll get what you pay for. And I'm a big believer in that, like I've said. All right, that's the tutorial video for the Wolfpack Ultimate class. If you guys are new to the channel here, hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. I've been an active day trader in the stock market for 6 years, and I've been a content creator here on YouTube for 3 years. We're approaching my 3-year anniversary here in 25 days. See, it's June 25th right there, 2018. It's currently May 31st when I'm making this video. I have over 500 videos on my channel. Go through, watch my videos. And like I said, if you want to take this seriously, join the Wolfpack. Like I always say, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later.